It rained all night long. Oh God. It's weird. It's like, I mean, it was fine to start with. For some reason, the sides of it have gone slack down the face end, and the middle has gone solid. The worry I've got is that maybe it could be putting too much strain on one part instead of evenly distributing the strain. Oh God. I've got no idea why it does that. Oh, it could be because I'm going lopsided while I'm leaning over. Oh, God. Oh, should do coffee in a bit. Not for a long bit though, because I'm really, really tired. The thing is, it's not so much sleep going in the hammock to get a good night's sleep, it's going in the hammock to get rest. And it is a lot more relaxing being out here where there's no Wi-Fi, no phone signal. I just lie in the hammock while I'm listening to the rain.